Hey guys, me, Vintage Harbor Breeze, etc. here, back with another ceiling fan video. Today we're going to be filming my 52-inch white Harbor Breeze Builder's Best ceiling fan. Here's the Harbor Breeze logo. And yeah, I just thought I'd hang this to test it, because I'm going to test a few more fans today. Well, when this is filmed, I don't know when you'll see this. But yeah. Anyways, here's the spotlight. This is the first setting. It's supposed to be this one and this one, but there's no bulb in there because it's the entire spotlight just dangles. And then this one controls these two, and then this is supposed to be all. Here's low. Pretty neat fan. This is my first time ever testing it, and I think it works good. Only one blade is bent, and that's absolutely fine because I fixed it the best I could, and that's how I got it to be, and that's fine. And it's going to start wobbling and creaking because the mounting bracket. This fan is actually childhood for me because two of these were in my preschool, but they didn't have light kits. And the chains are gloriously rocking. These are the original poles. Low with the light on. Now let's do medium. Very neat fan, I like it. And then you can see the spotlights already clanging and banging. It stops after a while. It's just gonna be annoying to see and hear when you start it up. I am going to eventually take the light off because of that. And here's high. Luckily, high speed is when this stops. It only shakes a little bit. Well, the fan wobbles a lot, but at least the spotlight stops. And since airflow checks don't work anymore, I'm not going to do that. And now I'm going to make my videos at least 4 minutes, because I feel like 3 minutes is too rough and too rushed. Yeah, I got this fan including a Bahama spinner and my Harbor Breeze Classic. I don't know if I'll be filming that today, but eventually I will. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy this fan as much as I do, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Vintage Harbor Breeze, etc. out. Goodbye.